Hello everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to withdraw money from G2G. Now, first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your G2G on your browser and log it into your account. Then you want to go and click on your profile icon on the top right side. Then you want to go and click on available balance on the right side right here. And after that, it will show you all your balance in front of you with this interface, just like so. And now what you should do is to click on withdraw button from the right side. Once you click on withdraw button, it will ask you where do you want to withdraw your money. Here you have multiple options. You have Skrill, Payoneer, bank transfer, local bank transfer, PayPal, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, Arbitrum, USDT, Polygon, etc. And you can choose the currency from this option right here. Here in my case, I will withdraw in euros, so I'm gonna use euros. And of course, you need to have a Payoneer account if you are going to withdraw it to the Payoneer wallet. So I'm going to click on Payoneer wallet, for example. Then I'm going to add my Payoneer account right here. So just have to click on bank transfer, click on create one if you do not have a Payoneer account, or connect your Payoneer account by simply clicking on connect your Payoneer account. So I'm going to choose my Euro account right here. Then I'm going to enter the balance. Let's say that I want to withdraw the whole balance. Then it will tell me exactly what are the minimum amount and what is the maximum amount. And it shows me exactly what fees they will take to me. Just hit the submit and they will take a transaction fee of €4 plus 2%. And this is the payment time and this is the payment cutoff time, as you can see. After you finish, click on submit and you're all done. And the last thing is the step of confirmation. You just have to confirm that you want to withdraw this amount of money. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and see you in a new video.